School days are about more than just lessons. Lunchtime should be safe, fun, and stylish too. In 2025, parents want lunchboxes that keep food fresh and girls love to carry. That's why we've selected the top 5 best school lunchboxes for girls, combining beautiful designs, smart features, and healthy materials to make every lunch break special. These lunchboxes feature BPA-free or stainless steel construction, leak-proof designs, and easy-to-clean interiors. They're lightweight yet durable, come in vibrant colors and cute patterns, and are perfectly sized to fit into a school bag. Whether you're looking for long-lasting insulation, compartments for balanced meals, or simply a stylish lunchbox your daughter will love, this list covers it all. Watch till the end to discover the perfect lunchbox that blends safety, convenience, and style, making every school day happier. And number 1, Mermaid Bento Box for Kids. Lunchbox for Girls. Bento Lunchbox for Kids with 5 compartments, stainless steel water bottle, lunch bag, ice pack set. Back to school supplies. Bento Box for Kids. This bento box gift set includes a water bottle, a bento box, a lunch bag, and an ice pack. The whole gift box set is exquisite and advanced. The vivid and interesting patterns are loved by children, and the interesting patterns can make children more enjoyable and happy when enjoying food. Suitable for carrying to school, outing, camping, and so on. This bento box set comes in the form of a gift box, so it is also a very suitable gift for children. Water bottle. The Bento Box for Kids stainless steel water bottle has a capacity of 330 milliliters and is made of stainless steel. The patterns of the water bottle body are all frosted texture, and there are 6 different patterns. They are cool off-road beach buggy and dinosaurs, cute cats and unicorns, and 2 styles of mermaids. The water bottle also comes with a carrying strap for easy transportation. Number 2, Bevalsa School Backpack for Girls. Bookpack with Bento Lunchbox, insulated bag and utensils, 43-ounce lunch containers with 6-compartment school bag set for kids, elementary, middle student, purple. Buying this back-to-school set, you will get a girl's backpack, 43-ounce bento box, insulated lunch bag, utensils, and a pen bag. Whether your little one is going to elementary school, middle high school, or high school, this backpack set fits a variety of student demands, also perfect for traveling, camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Our bento box boasts a generous 43-ounce capacity with 6 individual compartments, providing ample space for a variety of foods. The centrally located sauce compartment allows for easy dipping, while the silicone seal prevents leaks. The inner tray is microwave safe, and both the tray and silicone layer are dishwasher friendly for easy cleaning. Number 3, REDSHELL Tactical Lunchbox Kids. Large insulated lunch bag for girls, cooler lunch bag, square toddler lunchbox, back to school daycare lunch tote pail with water bottle holder shoulder strap. Pink keeps cold and hot. This children lunchbox combines 6mm thermal insulation with BPA-free PVA lining to keep food chilled for 8 hours or warm for 4 hours. So your baby enjoys fresh meals, and you get peace of mind. 5.5L large capacity. Features a spacious main compartment that easily fits bento boxes, fruits, snacks, and drinks all in one place. It has an inner mesh pocket for ice packs or utensils, and a side mesh pocket for water bottles. Carry it as a crossbody bag, shoulder bag, or handbag. It's easy to wipe clean in seconds with its waterproof interior. This lunch pail is made of durable Oxford cloth with a cute 2-tone design. It's a great choice as a gift for girls and boys during back-to-school season, birthday, or Christmas. Number 4, Lunchbox for Girls. Women. Preppy Lunchbox for Teen Girls. Insulated girls lunch bag for kids. Large reusable cute cooler bag with adjustable shoulder straps. Perfect for school travel picnic. It is designed specifically for school use, ensuring that it meets all the requirements of a cute girl's lunchbox for school. Cute embroidery chenille letters design. Give you a good mood every day. The Preppy lunch bag is designed with convenience in mind. There are 3 ways to carry Preppy lunch bag for teen girls: as a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, or stylish handbag. It features a comfortable, adjustable shoulder strap and a sturdy handle, making it easy for girls to carry their lunch to school. Our cute lunch bag is insulated to keep food fresh and at a safe temperature. The Preppy lunch bag is made from high-quality materials to ensure durability and long-lasting use. Even with daily wear and tea, our cute Preppy lunch bag for school stands out with its trendy and preppy design, making it a favorite among girls. With its vibrant colors and patterns, it adds a touch of style to any lunchtime. Number 5. Kids Lunch Bag Lunchbox for Teen Girls Boys Back to School. Cute preppy lunchbox with adjustable shoulder strap. Insulated corduroy lunchboxes. Lunch bags for women work picnic. This cute lunch bag is crafted from high-quality corduroy fabric, adorned with professionally stitched fun patterns to bring a touch of charm to your day. Featuring sturdy, padded handles and a detachable, adjustable shoulder strap, it offers both hand carry and cross-body carrying options for versatile styling. His modern and stylish lunch bag will look adorable and charming in any occasion, suitable for kids, adults, teenagers, women, girls, boys, teachers, nurses, and more. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, it's perfect for a variety of occasions, including work, kindergarten, school, travel, picnics, beach, office, outdoor activities and storage, etc.